That's an amazing thing that you have done. I want to inquire about what has made you so amazing, because ups and downs, problems are part of our life. But
Mm.
what has made you so amazing, and what is the thing that you have recovered from the bullying part, or the worst part you had in your life?
Thank you. Good question, Bucher. For me, well, feeling like I was different since I was a kid. I was letting others push me around in the schoolyard at the school. I was letting others like like in the movies, like they will throw your books on the ground while you're in the hallway, and because I was intellectual kid and I asked like way too many questions in class, or I always wanted to give the answer, well, that led others to push me around. And I was also, I've always been a dreamer. I've always thought like of like kind of like a macro perspective of the world and things that we can do for humanity, and, and having big dreams, a big vision, and that led others to bully me as well. And at some point, I felt like I just didn't belong. I was not like the other kids. I was not like the other firefighters at the station. I was different. Um, that at first it was hard, and I felt like I was not good enough. But then on my spiritual journey, I realized that being different is so amazing, and we're so blessed to be all different from each other because we're all meant to elevate each other rather than push each other around and step on each other. We're all meant to make a difference because we all have a gift that is meant to be shared with the world, and through support, when the pieces of the puzzle connect, that's when we make a big difference.
That's great. That's great. My next question would be, what is your pain point? I mean, everyone has a pain point that drives you to the amazing person that drives you. I mean, Elon Musk want to solve problems for the
Hmm.
humanity. So, what is your pain point that moves you towards an ordinary person to a person who loves humanity, who loves harmony, who loves peace?
Thank you, my friend. That's a great question because everybody has a pain point and everybody has a cause in their heart that is so important, that gets you up every morning, that makes you want to make a difference. I'm just getting the shivers right now because I'm feeling this question. Uh, my pain point for me is